Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display back cover. Removal. Carefully disconnect the Slate battery cable from the connector on the Slate system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume control board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume control board ribbon cable from the Slate system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the volume control board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the Slate bracket. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the volume control board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display bezel and remove. Place the volume control board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the volume control board from the static dissipative bag. Place the volume control board onto the alignment pins and adhere it to the display bezel. Insert the volume control board ribbon cable into the volume control board ZIF connector on the Slate system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Press along the length of the volume control board ribbon cable to adhere it to the Slate bracket. Carefully connect the Slate battery cable into the connector on the Slate system board.